Hume Band versus Garmin Cirqa. Which wearable health tracker should you buy? If you want a screen-free wearable that quietly tracks your health throughout the day, the Hume Band and Garmin Cirqa are two interesting options. But they focus on different priorities, so which one actually makes more sense? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Hume Band is built around health, recovery, sleep, and long-term wellness insights. It tracks metrics such as heart rate, HRV, blood oxygen, sleep, activity, strain, recovery, and skin temperature, with Hume's app designed to turn that data into broader health insights. Garmin Cirqa takes a more fitness-focused approach. It tracks heart rate, body battery, stress, pulse ox, skin temperature, sleep stages, sleep score, HRV status, training readiness, VO2 max, and training status. It can also track more than 80 activities and uses your smartphone's GPS for outdoor activities. Battery life is another point in favor of both. Hume advertises longer battery life, while Garmin rates Cirqa for up to 10 days on a charge. Cirqa is also rated 5 ATM for swimming and uses a lightweight, screen-free design that can be worn on the wrist or arm. The biggest advantage of Hume is its focus on health interpretation and longevity-style insights. However, some of its advanced features can depend on the Hume app and its subscription options. Garmin Cirqa is the better fit if you want a more established fitness ecosystem. Garmin Connect brings together health, sleep, workouts, recovery, and training data, and Cirqa does not require a subscription for its core features. There are also limitations to consider. Neither device has a display, so you need your phone to see your detailed information. And these are wellness and fitness trackers, not medical devices, so their readings shouldn't be treated as medical diagnoses. Overall, choose Hume if your priority is health-focused insights, recovery, and long-term wellness. Choose Garmin Cirqa if fitness tracking, training features, Garmin Connect, and no required subscription are more important to you. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which tracker you would choose.